tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moss. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Before we go any further, could you do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel at MosToosifar. Also, go over to my Instagram and follow me on there as well. Same thing, MosToosifar. And get ready guys, I'm going to be making some falafel today. Let's see how it goes. I've had so many different people telling me different recipes of how to make it, what to put in there, what not to put in there. At the end, to be honest, I got frustrated, so I'm just going to make what I think is good to put in there, I guess. I don't know. Let's see how it goes, yeah? Stay tuned, relax, and enjoy the show. So, let me start off by telling the ingredients that I've got. I've got pepper, salt, baking powder, coriander and parsley. I've got an onion. I'm going to use only maybe half of it or a quarter of it. And I've got 2 small bits of garlic, chickpeas, and the not so great blender. I mean, it does the job, don't get me wrong, but YouTube isn't paying me enough to get a new one, so you guys need to help me out. Subscribe. Anyway, let's get going. All I'm going to do is peel these off. Okay, that's that. That's going in there. Believe me guys, my hands are clean. Don't worry about that. Right, moving on to the onion. If I cry, if you see tears coming out my eyes, it's just tears of joy, guys, of making falafel. I enjoy it. Never done it? Doing it now. Let's see. Let's see what we've got here, right? Okay, be careful with your fingers. Get it in there. Bada bing, bada boom. You know what I mean? Quick time. I'm not going to bother with the rest of that. Right, let's get these. These, I need to chop them up really well because I don't think they're strong enough to do the job, and it's not big enough either, so it's going to be quite compact in there, guys. That onion is making my eyes feel funny. Oh boy. Okay. Now, some of you might be wondering, you didn't explain what's in this bowl. Nothing. It's empty, if you didn't see. My eyes are really starting to burn. It's an empty bowl simply because this may not be enough, so I'm just going to empty out, pour it in there, and make some more again. So we'll see how it goes with the first round. Let's just stick it in there. Right, bit of that, bit of that. Save the rest. I'm not going to do all of it because, yeah, because I think I'm going to have to do round 2 as well. And, oh God, anyway. All that. Get it all in there. That's enough. Be careful using a knife, guys. You don't want to cut yourself. And don't worry, I'm not cutting myself. I'm good like that. Alright? So, let's get some salt in there. Okay, let's get a pepper in there. Get a tiny bit of baking powder in there. If I can open it. That's enough. Now, time for the chickpeas. Oh boy. Tell you what, let me use a spoon because I don't want it to go all over the floor. See what I mean? Right, let me try and blend that. See if that goes down a bit. If it does, good. Let's have a look. I'm gonna clean the floor now, guys. Could do a bit more. But before that, let me put some more of these in. I think we're missing. I was hoping. Oh boy. I was hoping for a better look than that, but never mind. Some of you may be thinking, alright, why don't you empty this and just put this in there and blend it, mix it together? No, blend it all together. Chickpeas are going everywhere. Right. I don't think this is strong enough for this. No, because it's not really doing much. But anywho, I'm just push it down to see if that makes any difference. Because I can see a lot of big bits that are still there. Let's see. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Take it out. Yeah. Pour it in, guys. Right, let's go over to the kitchen, fry this, and see what we make of it, eh? Don't go anywhere. Voila. I hope they all stay together. They don't come off. I don't know. Who knows? Don't know what's happening in there, but I hope it comes out well. Wish me luck. I don't even know if I've got enough space in there. Can't see, can you? Right. Gonna give that a couple of minutes and let's see how it goes, eh? Right. The smell, frying chickpeas, onions, garlic, and all the parsley and coriander. Smelling good, man. Smelling good. Right, what time is it? Right, leave this on for a couple of minutes. I'll see you guys in a sec. So guys, here's what I'm gonna do. They've been frying for a bit. Smells I don't want it to burn or anything, so we've got to be careful with it. Let me just turn off completely and take it off the heat. Yeah, tell you what, let me just take it off. They've shrunken kind of thing, or I don't know. So yeah, it doesn't look, yeah, it's a little bit burnt. We're alright, we'll be alright. So basically that's that. Now all I'm gonna do is make a quick design of this, present it well-ish, and I'll be back.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go, somebody gotta see the medical, and every time